Welcome back. Now there are ways for you to document certain items in your Microsoft Word document, and you can do that first with a signature line. And what you can do is you can click this link for Microsoft Office signature line. You're going to write in the signer, you're going to write in their title, and you're going to write in their email address. And you can place some instructions to your signer. You can also add in a space for your signer to add in comments. Then you will click OK. Then you have in your signature line. You can further document the exact date and time according to when the signature happens or when the document's produced. And you can do that by using the date and time stamp. You're going to click in the date and time stamp. You're going to click the format that you want. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click this box that says update automatically. That's going to make sure that the exact date is going to appear whenever the document is created. We're then going to click OK. If you're going to be using this on a regular basis, of course, you can use the set as default for it. You're going to now click OK. And now you have in your date field, which is then going to be associated with this document. And then when we need to update the document on a particular date, all we'll need to do is to click this update button or hit F9, and then the date will change to what it actually is. Of course, this is a movable field, so we can justify it any place that we want. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.